folks, just wanted to come on here and show you some of the pieces of hardware we use when repairing screens or replacing them. These are some of the parts. These are wheels off of sliding patio doors. This is an old style wheel. These are new style wheels, this one and this one. This is a steel wheel. This is a nylon wheel. And these are replacements. This is a steel corner that is inside the sliding patio door frame that holds it together. And this is an adjustment screw that adjusts the wheels up and down so that we can get the door level and square such that it closes properly. For screen hardware, have several different types of clips. This is a bell clip. You don't normally see this whole part, but what you'll see is this. And this is a side view. These are hard to get on sometimes, unless you know how to do it. These are tension springs. Typically what you'll see is this part sticking up out of the top of the screen. It just holds tension on the screen so it doesn't fly out. This is a pull tab that you use to grab hold of to pull the screen up and out of its place. These are barrel clips or thumb latches, what some people call them, and they're used to secure the screen frames in place on the outside of the window. Some other hardware that you'll see periodically are these little latches. They're called acorn latches, and these screens insert into your window from the inside of your home. These are for tilt sash windows. Some other springs you'll see are slide-in leaf springs. These typically go in to the top of the screen and hold tension on the screen, keeping it in place. This is an example of a bail clip on the back side of the screen. What you have to do to get these in is stretch them out just a little bit before you put them on. But that's what it looks like right there. And then there are the tension springs right here. If you have any questions about different types of springs or hardware that goes on screens, give Skinner's Custom Screens a call. If you need replacement items, give us a call at 512-863-5145, and we'll help make screen magic happen for you.